Today I'm with Isaac, our country focal point for Nigeria. And together we will walk you through how we can join our new community of practice. We are excited to be here today, and I hope you will find this community very accessible and very friendly to use. So I've sent Isaac an invitation to join Slack, and now he has this on his email. So please, Isaac, can you just simply click on the Join Now button?
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay, so if you don't have Slack already, so the Slack will open for you in a browser. So let's first identify yourself, create your account. So add your full name. Please add the full name so that when you are in the community, we know who you are. You don't add just, for example, a merged name or a nickname. So your full name, because this what will appear in the community of practice later. Imagine that we'll have thousands of people and hundreds of Isaacs, so we need to know who is who. Please add your name here.
Okay.
Yes, please. Let's proceed now. Create account. There are two options, whether you open it in the browser or in Slack. Let's open it in Slack. Click on Open in Slack yeah. Here, yes, please.
Okay.
Great, great. Yes, great. So welcome to the community. Now you are part of the community.